Hey there, folks! It's your favorite gamer here, and I'm thrilled to share a fantastic game that you need to check out. You know how it goes, the best games are often overlooked, but boy, this one is a gem. It's all about morality decisions, and it's incredibly engaging. So, let's jump right in. This game takes you on a journey through various scenes, each presenting you with a moral dilemma. The visuals are stunning and the gameplay is smooth, but what really sets it apart is the moral aspect. Moral choices can be tough. Sometimes we have to make difficult decisions that go against our principles. But this game makes it easy and fun to explore moral dilemmas. So, why am I so enthusiastic about this game? Well, it's all about the ease of getting started. You don't need any fancy equipment or extensive setup, just hit play and you're off. And did I mention the visuals? They're stunningly impressive. So there you have it, folks. Give this game a try and see for yourself why I think it's one of the best games around. If you found this video enjoyable and informative, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!